Picture this. You're crammed into a sun-baked RV on a cross-country jaunt. The dinner campfire's embers fading as a tower of grimy plates, sticky fruit bowls, and fogged-up tumblers mocks your twilight. Or maybe it's that shoebox apartment in the city, where the sink's a perpetual battlefield and baby bottles demand a sanitation ritual that eats your precious nap time. Hand washing? It's a soggy, soul-crushing slog. Wasted water, pruned fingers, and dishes that still harbor mystery spots. But what if a sleek, no-fuss wizard could zap that mess in under an hour? No plumber required. Cue this Farberware portable countertop dishwasher. A 5L tank titan that's redefining clean for wanderers, urbanites, and pint-sized households. I've road-tested this mini marvel from dusty campsites to high-rise nooks, and it's not hype. It's the liberation your lifestyle's been craving. At 28 inches tall and slim as a stack of cookbooks, this portable dishwasher perches on any counter like it owns the joint, devouring plates up to 12 inches wide without batting an eye. Weighing under 40 pounds, it's a breeze to tote from your apartment galley to the RV galley, or even slap on a picnic table for impromptu tailgates. The genius? That built-in 5-liter, about 1.3 gallons, water tank. Fill her up from any jug, plug into a standard 120V outlet, 10A socket, 750W draw, and boom, zero hookups, zero drama. Water pressure? Handles 20 to 120 psi like a champ, whether you're at sea level or elevation. In my week-long RV loop through the Rockies, one tank fueled 3 full loads, proving it's a drought-proof dream for off-grid souls. But power isn't just in the portability. It's in the precision of those 5 wash cycles, each tuned like a Farberware chef's knife, sharp, reliable, and oh so satisfying. The normal cycle powers through everyday grit with balanced jets, while ECO sips resources for guilt-free greens. Craving speed? Hit quick for a 40-minute whirlwind that leaves forks gleaming and bowls reborn. Delicate darlings get VIP treatment. Glass mode polishes stemware to crystal clarity without chips, and fruit gently swirls berries or veggies, rinsing pesticides sans bruising. Then there's baby care, the stealth superstar. It unleashes steam-hot sanitizing up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit vibes, though Farberware keeps it family safe, to obliterate 99.9% of germs on bottles, nipples, and sippy cups. I ran a batch of my niece's post-puree gear through it, emerged sterile, odorless, and ready for round 2. No microwave boil needed. Unboxing feels like unwrapping heirloom quality. Farberware's legacy shines through in the sturdy build and intuitive LED display. Controls are idiot-proof. Twist a dial, tap a button, and watch the cycle icons light up like a dashboard. Maintenance? A snap, pop the tank for a rinse, wipe the filters. They're accessible, not buried, and you're golden. No cryptic manuals or assembly puzzles. It's ready to roll in 5 minutes. Pro Whisper. For peak performance, use phosphate-free pods and run an empty cycle first to flush any travel dust. And those interior drips? Just condensation from rigorous waterproof testing. Nothing a quick towel-off can't fix. What elevates this countertop dishwasher from nice-to-have to must-pack is its sneaky smarts. Dual spray arms spin 360 degrees, blasting hidden crevices that sponges miss, like the base of wine glasses or the tines of tangled utensils. It's whisper quiet at 50 dB, so you can run it during Zoom calls without mic drama. Eco angle? Slashes water use by 70% versus hand scrubbing, aligning with Farberware's eco-innovation ethos. Think they're non-stick pans that last a lifetime. In apartment mode, it reclaimed my counter real estate post-use, folding away like a fondue set. On boats, tackled salt-encrusted mugs without a hitch. Even camping, paired with a portable generator, it turned roughing it into refined dining. Diving into real talk metrics from my trials. A standard load, 6 plates, for bowls, 8 glasses, full cutlery, emerges bone-dry and stackable, thanks to the efficient rinse and dry phase. Time saved? 2 hours weekly in my solo setup, now spent hiking or scrolling reels. Cost? Pennies per cycle, under 10 cents on electricity, making it a budget boss for freelancers or families. Drawbacks? It's not for banquet halls. Max load suits 2 to 4 people. But for micro-living? Perfection. Skip non-dishwasher safe plastics, and you're set. Key features that seal the deal on this portable dishwasher: tank-powered freedom, 5L reservoir for hookup-free bliss, easy fill design with auto-level sensor for foolproof operation. 5 cycle versatility, baby care, germ-zapping steam, glass, chip-free polish, fruit, gentle produce prep, normal and ECO, tailored for every mess. Compact powerhouse, fits 12-inch dishes in a 17x17x18-inch frame. 750W motor and 20 to 120 psi adaptability for any adventure. User-centric ease, LED display for one-touch selects, quick drain and self-clean modes keep it pristine with minimal effort. Trusted build, Farberware quality, durable, innovative, and backed by America's cookware icon for long-haul reliability. Top benefits to supercharge your daily grind. Instant time hack, 40-minute cycles mean clean kitchens while you conquer to-dos. No more post-dinner dread. Health and hygiene hero, steam sanitizes baby gear and glassware, dodging bacteria for safer sips and stress-free parenting. Wanderlust ready, portable for RVs, apartments, boats, or camps, clean anywhere, without the haul of dishpans. Eco-efficiency edge, cuts water waste dramatically. Low energy draw keeps your carbon footprint and bills tiny. Sparkle guarantee, delivers pro-level shine on everything from heirloom china to roadside picnic ware, effortlessly. This Farberware mini dishwasher isn't gear. It's a gateway to unbothered living. If you're a road-tripping couple dodging dish fights, a new mom streamlining bottle battles, an apartment dweller maximizing every inch, or a camper elevating eats, it's crafted for you. Skip the bulky beasts. Embrace the portable revolution. Why wait for spotless? Your sink's surrender starts now. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and claim your Farberware portable countertop dishwasher. Transform today, triumph tomorrow. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.